Hello everyone, today I want to introduce IEI, the latest software which support the IPMI, IMAN. This is homepage. You can see on your left hand the device management. You can see how many devices you have and how many devices online and offline. And on your right hand, you can see the group management and how many group you have. And on the second tab, there's a device list and discover list. On discover list, there's a discover setting. The software will show your IP range automatically, so you don't have to find by yourself. But for instance, in my office, our IP address is 10.10.40.1 to 10.10.40.255. So I just add this IP, then that the software to search, and then I will just click search. So let's wait for software to find the device. So you can see the toolbar is running, and in here there are two devices show up because I only have two devices online right now. So one is 66, the other one is 74, and you just click add, and this device can add into your device list. So the device exists in the device list already. So you click device list and you can rename your device whatever you want. So for instance, let's choose Tank 760. So in the beginning, there's a login will just pop out, and the default setting for username and password are admin and admin. So you just key in these two and press login. And you can see login success. After that, you can click information. First, there's a summary. It can show you the board IP address and board firmware version and the power status. And on the second tab, there's a board information and product information and chassis information. And the third tab is event log. Event log can show you when your system down and fail. You can just check the event log and what happened on your device. And the fourth is sensor list. There's some main sensor readings here. DDR3, CPU temperature, system temperature. On your right hand, there are graphic can let customer to read. For instance, CPU temperature right now is 45 degrees Celsius and the current state is normal. But there's a threshold list, so customer can customize their threshold reading. So when your system, your CPU temperature is going too high, your system can send you the alert. And when you at home, you can use your mobile device to fix it. And next is configuration. There's a network, and you can customize your network, the device IP address. And the second is user. So as I mentioned in the beginning, the default username and password are admin and admin. So if you want to add more user in different privilege, you can choose here. Here's the username, password, confirm password, and privilege. You can choose either username, node access operator, or administrator. And next is control tab. On the first, you can see the power tab. There are power status, power control, power on, off, reboot, cold reset, warm reset. And you can see your power status here. And next is KVN, keyboard, video, and mouse. So just click the middle launch KVN. There's another window will pop out. So you just need to wait your host side to connect with your client side. So this, when the window pop out, you can see there are two mouse on my screen. One is for my host side for my laptop, the other one is for the client side. So there's a main feature for KVM, virtual media. When virtual media means you can connect with your device on your host side or your thumb drive, your hard drive, or any image files connected with your host side. For example, I just connected with a thumb drive on my host side on my laptop. I clicked and I choose the USB drive and I click it. It can connect with the client side. For this function, you can just update or upload your driver or firmware. And you also can do the power control here. That's power cycle. On the fourth tab, there's a history and there are two tabs under history. One is event logs, the other one is sensor logs. Because I just boot up the system, so there are no reading yet. On the third main tab is group management. Group management can help you to manage your group. And you just click the manage group. There are two devices on my device list. You can add these two devices into the group and name the group. So for instance, there are iris2400 and the username and password are admin. You can monitor these two devices in one time. And this page can show you the system status, power status, and there's some simple graphic can show you the system. And on the control tab, you can control power for these two devices. The last tab is setting. So under setting, there are two tabs, device and email server. On email server, you can adjust timeout minutes and refresh rate seconds and event log per page, the number. So email server, you can key in your email address. So when your system got fail or shut down, the system will send a message by your email. You can deal with or to send technician to fix the machine and device immediately.